Welcome to Kryptonite. My name is Ife, and in this video I am going to show you how you can buy Bitcoin on Luno with zero fees. If you want to buy Bitcoin on Luno, you would notice that Luno charges a very high fee when it comes to buying Bitcoin on their platform. Now, I am going to show you how you would pay no fee at all when you want to buy Bitcoin. To do this, you must have Naira present in your wallet, of course. Now let's go to the Naira wallet. For the purpose of this video, this is my Naira wallet. Now if you haven't deposited already, you can click on deposit right here. For me, I use Flutterwave when depositing to my account because you would be charged a constant fee of 300 Naira no matter the amount. But if you use your credit card, you would be charged based on the size you are willing to deposit. Now once you've deposited, I am going to show you how you can buy Bitcoin with no fees at all. Now you go to your home page, you click on the three dots right at the top of this page right here, and you click on exchange. Once you've done that, this is how your Bitcoin exchange is going to look like. Now make sure that you are on the BTC NGN pair. This is the Bitcoin Naira pair. Now this is what we are going to trade. Now make sure you click on it. If you want to buy, you have to click on buy right here. This is where you are going to buy Bitcoin with no fees at all. You would notice that there are two prices showing on your screen. One is the bid, which is on the left side, and one is the ask, which is on the right side. The bid is the one in green and the ask is the one in red. For you to be a market maker, for you to decide on where you want to buy and sell, you would have to place your order below the current price. In this example, you would have to place your order below the bid price. When you place your order below the bid price, you would be charged no fee. The reason why this is almost instantly is because Bitcoin is a very volatile asset. So your order will be executed in few seconds or a minute. For example, to buy at 888,998. Now as you can see, I'm directly below the bid price right now. As you can see down here, the fee you would be paying is zero. You would be paying zero fee when you buy at this low level. Now there's something you need to know. As you can see, as I'm trying to buy, the price keeps changing. You understand? So you can adjust it. You can adjust it to where exactly you would like to buy. Understand? Then you click on buy. Now I am going to buy right now. Let me adjust it for you. As you can see, zero fees. Now I'm going to click on buy. Now when you've placed the trade, you would have to go to my orders right here. As you can see, now this is the order you just executed right now. Then you would have to click on it. You would see that the order has been completed. When you look at the status, you see that instantly, due to the Bitcoin volatility, my order was executed. So as you can see right now, look at the details. I can go to my Bitcoin wallet. For the purpose of this video, this is my Bitcoin wallet. As you can see, the available balance right now is 8,286. I was charged no fee at all when buying through the Luno exchange. But if you don't want to use the exchange and you want to buy directly from your Bitcoin wallet, that means you want to just buy it directly on the standard platform, you can click on buy right here. When you go through this process, you would be charged a fee. If you are willing to sell, for example, you've bought at this price and you're willing to sell at around, let's say if Bitcoin goes to 20 million Naira by next year, now you will click on sell. You click on sell right here. I want to place my price order at around 20 million Naira. As you can see, if I choose to sell all my Bitcoin at around that point, I would make around 18,520 Naira if I choose to sell at a higher price than where I bought. The fees you would be paying to sell would be zero. When the price of Bitcoin reaches 20 million, the order is going to be executed. That means I am going to sell 926 at around 20 million, and I'm going to make a gain when I sell at around that price. If you enjoy this kind of content, please leave a like and subscribe. It really helps channel like this one grow, and I really appreciate it if you do. And I make contents like this on how you can make money buying and selling cryptocurrencies. Good day, and I will see you in the next video.